viewers ojo se nikhopa masapenin tu ni khojong hitabang phat pha e pewa ha chungnung pathen thangwam hanlang tu ni hin Commandant Ngamlen Touthang mi tampin jong head diu kata asanin tu lai ta AIIMS Guwahati muna deputation a uma Deputy Director Administration tu JINGLAI Indian Coast Guard na Commandant ineyo tengle ama in Indian Coast Guard na anato laija Commanding Officer Indian Coast Guard Ship Raj Kiran na Commanding Officer an hi laya ana thilbol ailo wala India mi tui pi len la akongo mejen akaje a thiding mi somni leni ana hu do ana video to ama hin ho thu dol chomcha ken kasem ama interview ilha do ama sangwin mi pi ho head dingin hin gita do han lang ga ki ve han lang ateng le ama interview hi jingla thaile hin gita do de hi ti lungel nei puma tu ni hi chi video chomcha hi viewer ho weddinga pu Ngamlen Touthang ahin khotusim chomcha to ama in hi chi tui pi sunga mi thiding tasa mi somni leni ahu do a India gam sunga denga bravery award ABP News bravery award actor Akshay Kumar to Union Minister pa khona anakisan na thusim chomcha iga vet khom dingwin tunila hin kan sodo ina he Commandant Ngamlen Touthang hi tule tua AIIMS Guwahati a Deputy Director Administration Panmun JINGLAI ahin ama hi Kangpopi District Saiku Subdivision a Mulkon Wangkhwa pat ahi pu Ngamlen Touthang hi talo pulun khulet Touthang le pi ngai neng Touthang lai gilga ahi ama le ain nei pi nu boy nu hoi nei themin pathen phathei bo na lai gilga chapali ane honin insung ki ngai luta ki pata hin khomang pathen phathei bo changjing insung ahi ve pu Ngamlen Touthang hi pasal hang santa ato na lamlama kita ta le gen ngai ta pan la jing mi ato atham na ho a lo hing jing nam ngai luta namadia pan la jing nampi adia abol thei chan bol jing mi khat ahi 26 December 2006 in Indian Coast Guard Assistant Commandant in anajoinin ama hi Indian Coast Guard sunga zata ale mi ngai sangta officer khat ahin ato khompi aloi le gol hot to adventure activity za chom chom mi che kha na lo che ngam na lo island chom chom ho azong ana che in ahi pu Ngamlen Touthang hi Commandant ahi tol hanin Indian Coast Guard Konglen chom choma Commanding Officer hi na panmun thupi ta ta len ta ta anapon ato phat na le han san je in award chom chom tampi jong amun ahi pu Ngamlen Touthang hi Commanding Officer of Indian Coast Guard Ship C408 le Indian Coast Guard Ship Raj Kena Commanding Officer anahin ama Commanding Officer hinan Indian Coast Guard Ship Raj Kiranin 14 June 2018 ni in India te thilpo kong MVSSL Kolkata zona hung video a imu bangovin kong mejin aka mei kong lang lungjeng tuizong kinong zen junjeng huizong hatta hichi kong sunga mi somni leni hochu tatchapa pu Ngamlen Touthang pasal hangsan lunglen ta ama le ato khompi ho thiding manding jengjong gerlovin mi hem somni leni mejin aka kong sunga thiding tabanga ho chu anahu do un hichi ama hon panala dan hi Indian Coast Guard history le Indian history adinga sumang mo thilso khat anahitan ahan sanje le ato phat manin 14 August 2018 nin pu Ngamlen Touthang chu ABP News bravery award le tatraksak medal gallantry Indian Coast Guard na medal thupi ta chu pe in an omin tijing se jong Halloween June 2017 in jong Odisha Coast a India mi ngaman mi bu akongu se atang den thidinga ho chu u Ngamlen Touthang makai nan an hu do kidun kichiji jong chun Director General of Indian Coast Guard Commendation jong anamun hi ama commanding officer hi na ama na po na kung ho in jong Indian Coast Guard sunga trophy chom tampi anamu hi official len ta hi wangin mikineu sa le pathen hemi ahin ato khompi hol anoiza tong ho ngai lu na nei ta akai hoijing je in ama hi ta sana ngai lu achang jingin hitabang officer len pathen he ineu hi eho nampi ani nga jong ki thangat pi ta ahi
Good evening, everyone. I am Commandant JZ T. Ngamlen, Commanding Officer of Coast Guard Ship Raskiran. Last night at midnight, we get instruction from our authority that there is a grave situation arising in the Sandhead anchorage area, and we need to sail with dispatch. So we summon all our crew within the 30 minutes, and once we reached the sea was very rough, but we still braved the rough weather because it was a humanity challenge, and it was in fulfillment of the charter of duties of Coast Guard. It was burning fully, and when we realized that there was no scope for the fire to be extinguished, we communicate with the crew, and after a certain communication, we come to the conclusion that the crew have decided to abandon the vessel.
ama hi nam ngai luta anam mi pi te dinga panlajing tu a to na AIIMS Guwahati munajong ana adam lo athile amang chule boina za chom to jo se jong aman agi thopi jingin ahi